In front of me is VIVO Y70, and let me show you how to perform a virus scan on the following device. So at first just open iManager, agree with all the terms and conditions, and here you will notice risky. Just click on risky, and as you can see, your device has been scanned automatically. You can also activate automatic security scan every 7 days, 15 days or 30 days. I will pick 15 days, turn on now, and as you can see, this device is secure. We've just performed a security scan, and from now on, after the setup we just did, and this scan will be performed automatically. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.